Look at the power of a dryer and the volume of a styler for a bouncy, shiny, frizz-free blowout in up to half the time.
So I think it works better if you brush the hair like this first to like dry it and then roll it. So brush it first to dry it and then start rolling it to make it straight. So basically it is faster. It took me about 50 minutes to do my hair versus a blow dryer and a brush. It usually takes me an hour and a half. Blow dryer and a brush, if I take my time, I can get, you know, a silky straight result.